Hello everyone, this is Sudhir. Welcome back to my class. In this class we are going to learn from sets chapter important questions. So what are the questions are given here? The first question is write an example for finite and infinite sets. So finite and infinite sets, set builder form they're asking. Okay, so you know what is the meaning of the finite set? Finite set is which is countable. For example, for finite set example I'm writing here. Finite set example, we take like x such that x is a natural number, x is a natural number, something like less than 100. Okay, so this is the example for finite set with set builder form. Now one more they're asking infinite set. For infinite set we take x such that x is a just natural number. Okay, so for this there is no end. Here we have less than 100, so we can take like 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to 99. That is a finite set. But for this example there is no end, just natural number I have given, so it can be continued like 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So this is the example for finite and infinite set in set builder form. The next question, write the set A equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, so on in set builder form. So how to write in the set builder form? Just we take like A equal to, and if you observe here these all are like 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. This is a 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. Finally it is in the form of n square. Okay, then how to write this? A is equal to x such that x is, these are the square numbers, right? So n square, n belongs to capital N, that means natural number, and n is, see this one also a infinite set, so that we write here, so n belongs to capital N, just we can leave it like this. Okay, because of it is a infinite set, there is no end for this. For example, it has like maybe, for example here we have like 100, then here we can write like n less than or equal to 10, but there is no 100 here, so that we should not write this all. The next question, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, then find A minus B. So A minus B, we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is A, and B is 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so common element should get cancelled here. What are the common element? 2 is a common, 4 is a common, 6 is a common. Then we get the remaining element from the set A. That set A remaining element we have 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Okay. Now what is set? The next one, B minus A, they are asking, right? So B minus A mean we write first set B, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, minus set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 2 get cancelled, similarly 4 cancelled, 6 also cancelled, and we have only one element, that is 8. Now what you observe from this both? Yes, these two are not equal. We write here A minus B is not equal to B minus A. The next question, write the solution set of equation x square minus 4 equal to 0. So x square minus 4 equal to 0, x square equal to minus 4 become here 0 plus 4, then x square equal to 4, x equal to root of 4, then x equal plus or minus 2. Then how we should write this one in the roster form? That is minus 2 comma plus 2. So this is the answer for this question. The next one, write an example of equal set. Equal set means the number of elements are equal in the two set and the elements also same. For suppose if we have like A equal to ABC, B equal to 1 2 3, 1 2 3. See, these are not equal set. These are called equivalent set. The symbol we can use this one because the number of element n of A means number of element in set A 3 here, and n of B, the number of element in set B also 3 here. So number of elements are same, I mean equal in the two set, so that set, and this is the symbol for this. So now the question here, it is equal set. Equal set means number of element must be equal and elements also same. For suppose if you take A equal to x, so that x is a natural number, x is a natural number less than 5. Okay, now set B I am taking 1 2 3 4. So these two are equal. How? Here we are taking x such that x is a natural number less than 5. Less than 5 natural number. Yes, we have 1 2 3 4. So here we get the 4 elements, and here also we got the 4 elements, and the elements also same, so that we can say here A equal to B. So this is the example for equal set. Write the subset of 1 2 3. So observe here there are 3 elements, so we can use a formula 2 power n to find out the number of subset, how many number of subset we get from the set. That is the 2 power n. That means that 2 to the power of n value is here 3. 2 power 3 equal to n means there is a number of element here we have 3. So 2 power 3 equal to 8 subsets we get. So what are the 8 subset here? First one is null set, because null set is the subset of every set. Second one we write 1, the next one we write here 2, and then here it is 3. After this we write these 2, that means 1 comma 2. After this we write 2 comma 3. After this, so after 2 comma 3 we write again 1 comma 3. Okay, so you can check how many sets we have taken. That is 1, here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That 8th one is the same set, that is 1 comma 2 comma 3, because here 2 important point you must learn, that is null set is a subset of every set and a set is the subset of itself. Null set is the subset of every set and a set is a subset of itself. So these two we get in the commonly in every subsets. I hope you understood this one. For example, if there are 4 elements, like we have 1 2 3 4, then how many subset we get? That is 2 to the power of 4, that equal to 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So 16 subsets we get. The next question, if mu equal to 1 to 10 numbers, A equal to 1 3 5 7 9, find A dash, or we call it is A complement. So A complement or A dash, that means we write mu minus A. What is mu in this? The mu is 1 to 10 numbers, right? Like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 minus set A is 1 3 5 7 9. So what is common in this both? 1 is the common, 3 is the common, 5 is the common, 7 is a common, and 9 also common. Then what we get the remaining elements from this? We have 2 4 6 8 10. So this is A complement. Okay, so A complement means A power C or A dash. That means it is mu minus A. Don't forget this. So for example, B complement they have given, that means you take mu minus B. Next question. If set A 1, 3, 5, set B 2, 4, 6, set C 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then write the universal set for all three sets. So you know universal set mean, so all the set are subset of universal set. All these three sets are subset of universal set. So we should take a set now. In this we should find out A, B, C. These three sets are subset of that universal set. So can you guess what is that? For example, here I am taking, either you can use this symbol or this symbol for universal set. Now what I am going to take, 0 is there here, so that 0 I can consider. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because this, see, you can observe 1 here, 2 here, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that I can take now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next 7 is not there, or if you want to take 7, you can take 7 also, no problem. Okay, of course there is no 7, but you can take, because we are not going to find the union of A, B, C. We are finding the universal set. Okay, so that means universal set of A, B, C mean, after writing the universal set you can find out set A, set B, okay, set C in that set. So 7 after, just I am going to take now 8. Okay, now you can observe this 1, 2, 3 is there in that set. Here we have 1, 2, 3. So A is the subset of mu. Similarly 2, 4, 6. Yes, here we have 2, 4, 6. That means B is the subset of mu. And C you can observe 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, here we have means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So these three sets are belongs to, I mean these three sets are subset of this universal set. Okay, so this is the model to write. Just you can observe in the three set what are their elements. So all together you can note down, then you will get it universal set. Question number 9. A is equal like 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal 3, 4, 5, 6. C is equal 5, 6, 7, 8. Find A union B union C. So in the bracket we have B union C. First of all, we can find out what is B union C. B union C, just directly I am writing from this. B union C, here we get now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct. This is B union C, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the question is A union B union C. A union B union C. A set A is, that is like 1, 2, 3, 4, and union B union C we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the union of these two set is, that is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is B union A union B union C. First of all, we should find what is there in the bracket like B union C, and then we can take with A. Okay, so A union B union C. The next question. So three sets are given here. Now A intersection B union C they are asking. So in the bracket we have B union C. So that first of all we take what is B union C in this. That is, directly I am taking B union C from this. That is 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Correct. So 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. So this is B union C. Now the question is A intersection B union C. So that what we do now, A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 intersection, and here B union C we have like 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. So you know very well what is the meaning of intersection, right? So here we have a bracket for this. Intersection means the common element we should take. 7 is a common in this, 9 is a common, and 11 also is a common. So we get now 7, 9, 11 is the answer for this question. Okay, so 7, 9, 11 is the common. Next very important question, let A and B are the two finite set such that n of A equal to 20, n of B is equal to 28, n of A union B equal to 36. Then find n of A intersection B. The formula to find out n of A intersection B is, that is, we write here n of A intersection B equal n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. Okay, so what is n of A here? That n of A given, it is 20 plus n of B equal to 28 minus, and n of A union B is 36. So this 20 plus 28 is 48 minus 36, then we get here it is 12. So 12 is the answer for this question. And here is the same model question we have here, that is, in a group there are 60 pupils. Okay, 27 like cold drink and 42 like the hot drink, and each person likes at least one of the two drinks. How many like both? So it's a very simple question, like before what we had discussed by using the same formula. There are total 60 pupils, so you can consider this one as n of A union B. Okay, n of A union B equal to 60, and 27 like cold drink. That cold drink taking members just you can take as set A. Then we have n of A is equal to 27, and 42 peoples like a hot drink they give, so that those peoples we are taking as set B. So n of B equal to means number of element in set B, that is 42. Okay, so now what is the question here? How many like both? That means n of A intersection B we should find out. Okay, n of A intersection B equal to here question mark. Now what is the formula we should use? N of A intersection B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. So using this formula, n of A is 60 plus n of A union B is 60. So what is n of A? This is 27, and n of B is 42 minus n of A union B is 60. So this 27 plus 42 equal to, this is 69 minus 60. 69 minus 60 equal to 9. So there are total 9 students. So 9 students like both hot and cold drink. So it's very simple. If you know this formula, we can solve this type of questions. Next one, draw the Venn diagram of A union B. It's very important model, A union B Venn diagram. So just roughly I'm showing you. We should take one rectangular box like this. This is a universal set. Okay, and inside we should take the two sets like set A and set B. Set A and set B. Now A union B means we should shade complete both set A and set B both. Okay, like this. The next one, A intersection B. So first of all we should draw the two set A and B, and here it is mu. Intersection means common element. So what is a common in the both? This part, only this part we can shade now. Okay, the next question, A minus B. Don't forget this rectangular box are indicate universal set. Now we take here set A and set B. So A minus B means we should take only set A. Only set A, it should not touch set B. Only set A we should shade like this. Okay, should not touch it set B. The next one, they gave B minus A. So set A and set B. B minus A mean you take only B part, shade it only B part, don't touch part A. Okay, so don't forget to take here, it is universal set. The next one, A subset B. What is the meaning of A subset B? All the element of set A are in set B, right? So this is set A. Okay, now I'm going to take now set B like this. Now for this we can take a universal set, just like a universal set here. This is mu, okay, and here it is a set B. So this is the meaning of A subset B. So these are the very important Venn diagrams. Let A equal to A, B, two sets they have given. Find A minus B, show the result in Venn diagram. So how we can show that? First of all, we should draw Venn diagrams. Okay, this is set A, set B, this is A and B. The elements I'm going to take for this set A, we have, what is a common in the both? 3 is a common, 4 is a common. The 3 I will take here, 3, 4. Now this side I have like 0, 1, 2, okay, and set B I have like 5, 6. Now A minus B they are asking, so that for A minus B, if you shade this part, okay, so what are the elements are there in that? Let me, A minus B equal to the only element in the set A, that is 0, 1, 2. So this is the model here. So we have to find A minus B and show the Venn diagram representations, mean like this. Okay, the next question, and can you tell me what is B minus A from this? Yes, that is 5, 6. And what is A intersection B from the same Venn diagram? That is 3, 4. And what is A union B? It's all together like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we can write. So whatever it may be the question, the process is the same. If A and B are the two sets such that A subset B, then what is A union? If A subset B, then what is A union B? Yes, if A subset B mean, let us take set A equal to something like 1, 2, 3, and set B equal to, you take more than 1, 2, 3 because A subset B they have given, so I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if I find A union B from this, A union B, then what I get? Yes, all together, that means 1, 2, 3 here and 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Definitely I will get 1, 2, 3, 4. This 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to set B. So what I conclude? If A subset B, then A union B is equal to B. In case in the same question, if they are asking what about its A intersection B? If A subset B, then A intersection B. A intersection B means we get only common element, that is 1, 2, 3, that equal to A. So don't forget this condition. If A subset B, then A intersection B is equal to A. If A subset B, then A union B is equal to B. These are the two most important bits. Question number 16. Write the set builder form of A union B. So how we write A union B, that equal, its set builder form is X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. This is the set builder form of A union B. And how we take A intersection B? For this, set builder form is X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. So for union we take or, for intersection we take and. Next one, that is A minus B. It's very important and interesting. So how to take X such that x belongs to A. Generally, how we are drawing the Venn diagram? Venn diagram, we are taking only set A part. We are not taking set B, right? That means x belongs to A and that x does not belongs to B. That is the meaning of A minus B, right? A minus B set is x belongs to A. That x is an element, this belongs to A, but it should not belongs to B. That's why we are taking common. So we are cancelling the common element from the both set and we are taking only from set A. So don't forget it. X belongs to A and x does not belongs to B is A minus B. For union we should use or, for intersection we should use and. Okay. For minus we are using and does not belongs to. And the question number 17, draw the Venn diagram for the disjoint set. So before going to draw this one, first of all we should draw one rectangular box. What is this? Yes, this is universal set. Universal set are denoted by the rectangular boxes. So the symbol is mu. And the two sets I am going to take now, set A and set B. Set A and set B. That's it. Disjoint set they give. What is the meaning of disjoint set? Disjoint set means the two sets do not have a common element. That is a disjoint set. Can you give me an example? Can you give me an example from your daily life? What is the example for the disjoint set? Yes, that is even numbers and odd numbers you can take. Set A is equal to even numbers, set B is equal to odd numbers. So you can't find out any common number between these two. So this is the example for disjoint set. And the number of boys from the class 10th, that is set A, and set B is the number of girls from the class 10th. So 10th class boys and 10th class girls, these are the example for disjoint set. Yes, it's very interesting question. Generally in this question many students will do the mistake. Why? Because the question asked here n of A intersection B. So what is A intersection B actually? Generally we write A intersection B mean the common element between set A and set B, right? What is the common element in the both set? 2 is a common element, right? 2 is a common element. That is A intersection B. But the question is asked here n of A intersection B. That means number of element in this set, that is we have only one element, so 1 is the answer for this question. Write the number of subset the set A is equal to x such that x is a letter in the word madam. So generally, so this is a set builder form. If you write this one in the roster form, how can we write? That is M A D. Okay, so these are the letters used in the word madam. So we have the 3 letters. Now the question here, write the number of subset. How many subset we get? We can use a formula, that is 2 to the power of n. So here we have a 3 elements, so that 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8 subset we get. So the answer is the number of subset for the set A is equal to x such that x is the letter in the word madam, that there are total 8 subset we get. And you know how to write that 8 subset, right? That is null set M A D MA AD MD and MAD. Okay, so how many subset we got? That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So they are not asking this one. So what are those? They are not asking, but number of subset they are asking. So your answer is 8. In case if they are asking to write all the subset, then you can write this answer also. If the number of subset of the set B are 64, then find the number of elements in the set B. So just now we have discussed the formula to find out the number of subset is 2 to the power of n. This 2 to the power of n is equal to 64. 64, that means 2 to the power of n is equal to, how we write 64? 2 to the power of 6. Then you can observe the powers here when the bases are equal. So powers you can take equal. So then n is equal to 6. That means how many elements are there in set B? Yes, you are right. There are 6 elements. So you can write answer. There are 6 elements in set B. If P is equal to quadrilateral, Q is equal to square rhombus, P is subset Q, explain. No, P is not a subset Q, Q is subset P. Q is subset P because this square and rhombus are the parts of quadrilateral. Those all are the parts of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a simple closed figure with four sides, right? In this you will get trapezium, rectangle, rhombus, square, kite. So these all are we can get. Now the square and rhombus only the two quadrilateral has taken, but the quadrilateral is like a universal set. So Q is subset P but not P is subset Q. Okay, so how can you explain that? Square and rhombus are the parts of quadrilateral. So here Q is subset P but not P is subset Q. So this is your answer for this question. A is the set of the factors of 12. Okay, so A is set of the factors of 12, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Because these are the factors of 12, write the number of subset of A. How many subset we get? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the formula you can use 2 power n, that is equal to 2 power 6 is equal to 64. So there are 64 subsets are there with this. Very interesting. Find n of pi. Pi is null set. Pi is null set. There is no element in this set. Then n of pi means number of elements in set pi, that is 0. Very important bit, this one also. Draw the Venn diagram of A union B such that A union B equal to B. When we get A union B equal to B, this one you have to focus. To get A union B equal to B, there is A is subset of B. That is a condition. Correct? For example, we are taking A equal like 1, 2, take B equal to 1, 2, 3. This is the meaning of A subset B, right? Now can you tell me what is A union B from this? Yes, that is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What is the meaning of 1, 2, 3 here? That is set B. So when you got A union B equal to B here, when A is subset B. Now what Venn diagram you have to draw? Yes, A subset B Venn diagram. How to draw that? This is universal set mu. First you take set A and that outside you can take set B. This is the meaning of A subset B, right? This is A subset B. So what is the next question? A equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. N of A intersection B is equal to 3, 4. What can you say about set B? A equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 4 elements. And A intersection B equal to 3, 4. So what can you say about set B? So intersection given means, that means this 3, 4 is the common in the both, right? Right? 3, 4 is the common in the both set. Now how can we find set B? That set B is, we can take like maybe other than, so this 3, 4 is compulsory from the set. Then other element you can take like maybe 6, 7, so on. Any numbers we can take here like this, okay? But not a infinite set, just you can take it is finite set. I hope you understood this one. 3, 4 is a common in the both set A and set B. Then other than 3, 4 you can take something element, you can take here like 6, 7 or only just 6 or only 7 or 8. So whatever it may be, but 3, 4 is the compulsory. It is open-ended answers question. So any answer you can get here, but 3, 4 is the common in the both set. If P is the factor of 12, Q is the factor of 36, then what is the relation between the two sets? So let us write what is P here. Factors of 12 mean what you write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. This is the factors of P, and the factors of Q is, that is the factors of 36. You can write like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5 is not a factor of 36, but 6. 7, 8, 9 is the factor because 9 4s are 36, and 10, 11 are not a factors. Again 12 because 12 3s are 36. After that 18, next 36. correct? So if you hand it out, you can write like this: 36 equal to, we write 136 and 2 18s, 3 12s, 4 9s and 6 6. So here we have covered these all numbers. So these all are the factors, that means these all are the factors of 36. Now what is the relation between the two set? If you observe here, yeah, 1 is the common in the both, 2 also common, 3 common, 4 common, 6 common, 12 also common. So what you conclude from this? Yes, that is P subset Q. P subset Q is the answer for this question. Illustrate A intersection B in Venn diagram. If A and B, the two sets are given, so we have to represent A intersection B from this. So that it is a rectangular box, that is mu, and here we have set A and set B. So this is A and this is B. What is the common in the both? Yes, we have only 4 is the common, and of course 5 also common. So that 4 comma 5 we take here, 4 comma 5 we take in the middle part because of it is intersection, and 1 comma 2 we take only in set A, and 6 7 is in set B. 6 7 is in set B. Okay, so A intersection B they ask. Now how we write answer here? A intersection B is, here we write A intersection B equal to, that is a common number between the both set, 4 comma 5. What is the cardinal number of set A equal to x such that x is greater than x? It's very important. Actually x is equal to x here, right? Can you tell me any number which is greater than itself? That means x greater than x mean? Can you agree 2 greater than 2, or 5 is greater than 5, or 8 is greater than 8? Will you agree with these examples? No. That means set A is empty set. Set A is empty set, right? That means what is the cardinal number of empty set? Yes, that is 0. The cardinal number of empty set is 0. So for this answer is 0. N of A equal to 0. If N of A is equal to 5, then what is the proper subset of A? The proper subset formula is 2 to the power of N minus 1. That means there are 5 elements are there in the set. So we take 2 to the power of 5 minus 1, that is equal to 32 minus 1, that equal to 31. So once again I repeat the question. N of A equal to 5, there are 5 elements are there in that set. So what is the proper subset of A? That is 31. This is the number of, that is the proper subset of A. If N of A equal to 4, then what is the number of all subset of A? Yes, formula 2 power N, that means 2 power 4 equal to 16. So what is the number of all subset of A? That is 16. So I hope all these 30 bits you understood. All are very important bits I have discussed with you. So that's the topic today. So this is Sudhir. Thanks for watching. See you soon.